Alright, you found the Ice Pick Taco, and today we're going to do an unboxing video on the 6-gain Auxbeam switch panel. So I was installing my third light set in the Tacoma, and it occurred to me that I'm turning it into a spaghetti factory. So I bought this switch panel so I can clean it up. Let's get going and unbox it. First impression, very nicely packaged. Nice covered loom with the wiring, like that. Although that's going to have to go through the firewall. It's going to be a little bit tricky. It's awfully thick, but we'll make it work. Very nice. Contact switch for sticking it, I suppose. Under the hood unit, there's a little Phillips screwdriver, little fuse tappers, bracket, hardware, 2 Allen wrenches, multiple fuses. Oh, zip ties? That's unexpected. But hey, who does that? Who gives you zip ties with stuff anymore? That's cool. All right, well, next video we'll be installing this. Stay tuned. Subscribe if you want to.